Hello, ESL teachers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn a fun and engaging game to help your students improve their sentence structure and comprehension skills. Sentence Scramble. In Sentence Scramble, students work together to unscramble mixed-up sentences and reconstruct them into grammatically correct sentences. It's a fantastic way to reinforce vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure in a hands-on and interactive way. Prepare sentence strips. Write sentences on strips of paper, making sure to mix up the word order. You can use sentences relevant to the lesson or focus on specific grammar points. Divide students into small groups. Form groups of 3 to 4 students per group. Make sure each group has a set of scrambled sentence strips and a clean surface to work on. Explain the rules. Let the students know that their task is to unscramble the words on the sentence strips to form complete sentences. They should focus on correct word order, punctuation, and grammar. Start the game. Give each group a scrambled sentence strip and set a timer. Encourage them to work together to rearrange the words and form a coherent sentence. Check for correctness. Once the timer is up, have each group read their reconstructed sentence aloud. As a class, review each sentence for accuracy and correctness. Award points for each correctly unscrambled sentence, giving bonus points for groups who finish quickly or demonstrate exceptional teamwork. Here are some quick tips for playing Sentence Scramble. Tip number 1. Strategize instruction. Encourage students to notice keywords and prioritize their placement. By starting with familiar words, they can build a foundation for unraveling the sentence. Tip number 2. Provide feedback. Offer constructive feedback on grammar, word order, and sentence structure. Take time to discuss mistakes and areas for improvement, guiding students towards greater proficiency. And there you have it, Sentence Scramble. It's a simple yet effective game that promotes teamwork, critical thinking, and language skills development. Give it a try in your ESL classroom and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ESL teaching tips and resources. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.